A lunar eclipse is set to occur tomorrow, reigniting the age-old debate between astrologers and rationalists over its significance and impact. While astrologers attribute the celestial event to Ketu, the shadow planet eclipsing the moon, and predict varied effects on zodiac signs, rationalists dismissed such claims as unscientific, calling it a natural astronomical phenomenon. Astrologers claim the eclipse could bring success and financial gain for some zodiac signs, while others may face physical discomfort or monetary setbacks. Ritual observance, including abstaining from food, have been advised during the eclipse period. Astrologer Chitta Mahapatra said cooking should be completed before 6:20 pm and no cooking should be done after that. The eclipse will conclude at 6:47 pm. As per the Shastras, worship should not be performed after 6:47 pm. The 45 minutes before and after sunset is known as Pradoshakala, during which certain rituals and restrictions are observed. He added that freshly cooked food should be avoided during eclipse, though light food may be consumed after 6:47 pm. Rationalist Pratap Rath challenged the claims, questioning the scriptural basics of consuming light food and asserting that eclipses are simply celestial elements. These are natural events to be understood through astronomy, not fear, he said. Responding to a question on what harm could arise from consuming solid food during the eclipse, the astrologer said, "When we stand under the sun's rays, we feel heat, and when the moon rises at night, we experience coolness. This is evident. The human body has a high water content. During summer, if food is kept for long hours, it tends to lose freshness and taste. Due to the impact of heat, harmful bacteria can develop in such food. Consuming it during the eclipse period may pose health risks." Shubhendu Patnaik clarified that the sun will remain unaffected and the eclipse will last around 40 minutes, with nearly 60% of the Earth's shadow covering the moon. As faith and science present contrasting views, the discussion continues, leaving viewers to decide where belief ends and reason begins.